Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're featuring the Ergobaby Original Carrier. Ergobaby carriers are ergonomically designed to cradle your baby in a natural sitting position and to evenly distribute baby's weight between your hips and shoulders, so they're super comfortable for you as a parent. The original can be used for babies weighing between 7 and 45 pounds. As a note, if your infant is under 12 pounds, you need to add the infant insert, which is sold separately. It's made of 100% cotton in the shell and lining and has 3 carrying positions: front, back, and hip. It has adjustable padded shoulder straps and an adjustable waist belt with a safety strap. It has a large slip pocket in front in case you need easy access to your phone or keys, plus a zippered storage pocket. The adjustable hood snaps to the shoulder straps to protect your baby from the weather. We especially love that it's machine washable and that the stitching is reinforced at all fabric intersections for extra durability. Now we'll talk about how to put it on, beginning with the front carry position. Start with putting on the waist belt by sliding the buckle through the safety strap and buckling it. Tighten the straps as needed. Make sure it rests above your hips and is centered on your body. Now loosen both shoulder straps and the chest strap. You can even slide the chest clip up or down depending on what works best for you. Pick up your baby and pull them close against your tummy with their legs in a frog-legged position. Support your baby with one hand and pull up the back panel with the other, making sure your baby is sitting deep inside the carrier. Slide one shoulder strap on and then the other. Buckle and tighten the chest strap on your back, making sure it sits between your shoulder blades. Tighten the shoulder straps as needed and make sure they're the same length. You can roll up the excess webbing as needed. Double check that your baby's legs are in a frog-legged M shape with their back slightly curved. Make sure that their head and neck are supported by the back panel and that there is space between their chin and chest, so that their airways are clear. You should be able to kiss your baby's head easily. Now we'll demonstrate the hip carry position. Start with putting on the waist belt by sliding the buckle through the safety strap and buckling it. Tighten the strap as needed, and then rotate the belt so that the fabric panel rests over your non-dominant hip. Loosen both shoulder straps until the pieces separate. Connect the buckle at the end of the shoulder strap in front of you to the webbing strap behind you. Make sure to use the elastic safety loop. Now slip it over your head and then pick up your baby and lower them into the center of the carrier. Make sure their legs are below all the straps and they sit deep in the base of the carrier. Holding your baby with your non-dominant arm, reach behind you with the other arm to tighten the shoulder strap. Wrap the padded shoulder strap from the back around your waist, feed it through the safety loop, and buckle it to the webbing in the front. Tighten it till it's snug. Now you're ready to go. Lastly, we'll talk about the back carry position. This position definitely takes a little bit of practice to get it down, so we recommend practicing over a bed or another soft surface. Start with buckling the waist belt, making sure to use that safety strap and tightening it. For this position, you can wear a little higher on your waist than other carry positions. Rotate the belt as needed to have the fabric panel rest above your non-dominant hip. Now loosen both shoulder straps and the chest strap. Pick up your baby and rest them on your hip, creating that M shape with their legs. Pull the fabric panel up to support them and then reach behind you with your opposite arm to pull the shoulder strap on. From here, lean forward and use a slight jumping motion to rotate the entire carrier with baby around to your back until they're centered. Put the other shoulder strap on. Clip and tighten the chest strap and then tighten the shoulder straps. From here, you can stand up straight and make sure that your baby is still centered, sits deep into the carrier, and has that frog leg M shape. As a note, whenever you're removing the carrier with any of these 3 positions, it's important to loosen one of the shoulder straps and remove it from one arm while supporting your baby with the other. You will take your baby out and put them somewhere safe before removing the carrier entirely. Overall, we love the durability of the Ergobaby Original Carrier. We especially love how customizable it is for any parent. Thanks for watching. To shop this carrier or any other product, go to babycubby.com. We offer free shipping on orders $25 or more. To learn more about another one of our favorite baby wearing products, check out this video. As always, like and subscribe and let us know what else you want to see next time.